Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Date My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesday. And on Wait a Minute Wednesdays, we roll two dice. A six-sided die tells us which challenge to stuff, and a five-sided die tells us how much to give that challenge. And so let's get into it and count what we have. So that's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Put that to the side here. And challenge 3 is empty so that we can allocate to challenge 1 and 2. These challenges are larger and have been here basically from the beginning of this series. And so we want to knock them out. We have 2 icons on each, but this one each is 15. And then on this one, each is 6. So 12 and 30 is what we need to complete those challenges. Let's see what the dice have in store for us this week. Okay, challenge 2 for 4. I like that. Challenge 5 for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Challenge 6 for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 4. Okay, I'm gonna roll them separate. Okay, 6 for 5. We'll try this separation roll again. 5 for 1. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a $5 bill. Challenge 3, okay. For 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Challenge 4 for 2, 1, 2, and we're down to $6. Challenge 5 for 4. Dang it. But I can make change right here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have $2 remaining. So we're gonna remove the 5-sided dice and we're just gonna roll twice to see who we can give these last dollars to. So challenge 5 and 4. All right. So that does it for the rolling. I lost track of who won, but I think it's one of these over here. So let's see. This one, challenge 4, received 3. Challenge 3 received 4. Challenge 2 received 4. And then challenge 5 got a total of 10. And challenge 6 for 9. All right. So we'll start here. Nothing for challenge 1. That's okay, because challenge 3 got his back. So we got 3 here, and we'll color in 3 stars. We'll do Well, actually, yeah, we'll deal with 3 first. So we have $4 to roll to challenge 1. But we have some rollover for less, and we didn't have enough to color in a feather. So let's see, we have 5, 10. So we need $2 to make 15. So I'm gonna grab 2. And we can color in a feather here. This one received 4. We need 2 more to color in a star of 6. And so we can color in 1 on each challenge. And they're both that much closer to being done and out of here. That amount worked out so beautifully. Can we do it in the month of June? Get these 2 done? I feel like we can. I feel like we can. Especially with our strategy and play. Let's see, we got 9 here. And we can do 8 and 1. And our last challenge here, we have a total of 10. And I think I'm going to do, the hands are 5. All right. That does it for this Wait a Minute Wednesday. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yet again, if you're new, thank you too. And I just want to know, how has June been so far for you? It's been a busy one for me. I'm looking forward to a day where I'm not busy. June came and it's coming, and I'm ready for you to be over and done. Yes, that's where I'm at with June, okay? But let me know, how's it going for you? And of course, have yourself an awesome week and weekend. And I will chat with you on the next one. Bye, you guys.